Pause for a moment. Think about every desire, every dream, and every goal you've ever had. Now imagine this, they already exist. That's right. Every single one of them has already been created in the realm of energy. The only thing standing between you and that reality is your awareness of the immense power within you. Life often feels like a puzzle, doesn't it? We set goals, chase dreams, yet something always seems missing. It feels as though we're knocking on the wrong doors, constantly searching for answers in the external world. But what if the answer is already within you? What if unlocking the life of your dreams starts by turning inward? Today, we'll explore the profound teachings of Dr. Ernest Holmes, the visionary behind the science of mind philosophy. His insights are not just inspiring, they are a practical roadmap to transformation. If you've ever felt stuck or wondered why life seems to be working against you, this is your moment. Get ready to uncover how you can awaken your inner power and start manifesting the life you've always dreamed of. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, things just don't align the way you hoped? Like life is happening to you, not for you. You're not alone. Most of us spend years feeling stuck, caught in cycles of frustration, financial struggles, unfulfilling relationships, and health issues. We take action, follow advice, and still feel like something's missing. Why? Because we're taught to focus solely on the external, what we can see, touch, and measure. But the truth is, the most powerful forces shaping your reality are invisible. These are the unseen energies of your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. The universe operates on principles far beyond the physical. Energy flows through everything, and the way you think and feel is constantly shaping that energy into the reality you experience. The good news is this: you can take control, you can shape your reality, and it all starts with understanding the immense power already within you. Dr. Ernest Holmes taught that the universe is an infinite source of energy, and each of us is an extension of that energy. This isn't some external power, it's a force that's already within you, surrounding you, and moving through you at every moment. Holmes once said, "There is a power in the universe greater than you are, and you can use it." This single idea is revolutionary. It means you're not just a bystander in life, you're a co-creator, actively shaping your reality with every thought, belief, and emotion. Let's break this down further. Imagine the universe as a vast ocean of energy. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are like pebbles dropped into that ocean. Each pebble creates ripples, and those ripples shape the currents of your life. If your thoughts are constantly focused on lack, "I'm not good enough, I'll never have enough money, things never work out for me," you're sending out ripples of scarcity. And the universe mirrors that energy back to you, creating more experiences of lack. But what happens when you shift your focus? When you start to think thoughts of abundance, love, and gratitude, you send out new ripples. The energy around you changes. You begin to realign with the flow of positive energy that the universe is always ready to provide. This is why your inner world matters so much. The energy you emit through your thoughts and feelings directly shapes the reality you experience. Now that you understand the basics, let's dive into practical steps. How do you harness this energy and start creating the life you desire? Here are 5 powerful tools inspired by Dr. Holmes and rooted in spiritual wisdom. Visualization is more than daydreaming. It's an active process of aligning your energy with your desires. Start by closing your eyes and imagining your ideal life. Be as vivid as possible. See the details, feel the emotions, and believe it's already yours. For example, if you dream of financial freedom, picture yourself living that life. Imagine checking your bank account and seeing an abundance of wealth. Feel the relief, the joy, the gratitude. The more real it feels, the more you align your energy with that reality. Meditation is a gateway to the universal energy within you. Even just a few minutes a day can make a profound difference. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Let your thoughts settle. Holmes believed that meditation helps you connect with divine intelligence, gaining clarity and inner strength. If you are new to meditation, start simple. Focus on a single positive thought like, I am calm and at peace. Over time, this practice will help you align your energy with the flow of abundance. Affirmations are short, powerful statements that reprogram your subconscious mind. They help replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For example, instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, say, I am worthy of success. Repeat affirmations daily, out loud, or in your mind. Here are some affirmations to get you started. I am aligned with abundance. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I attract positive energy into my life. The more you repeat these statements, the more they become your reality. Gratitude is one of the simplest, yet most powerful tools for transformation. When you focus on what you're thankful for, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This practice rewires your brain to notice the good in your life. It also sends out ripples of positive energy, attracting even more blessings into your reality. This step might feel strange at first, but it's incredibly effective. Start living as though your dream life is already here. For example, if you want to feel confident, begin acting confident today. If you dream of being successful, adopt the habits and mindset of a successful person now. When you embody the energy of your desired reality, the universe begins to mirror it back to you. This is the law of alignment in action. Think of your life as a garden. Your thoughts and emotions are the seeds. If you plant seeds of fear, doubt, and negativity, those are the plants that will grow. But if you plant seeds of joy, love, and belief, you will cultivate a life filled with beauty and abundance. Consider the story of Jim Carrey. Before he became a Hollywood star, he wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered. He visualized success so vividly that it eventually became his reality. This is the power of aligned energy. Dr. Holmes wasn't the first to discover these truths. Ancient teachings from Hinduism, Buddhism, and even the Bible point to the same idea. The Bible says, ask and it shall be given to you. Seek and you shall find. Modern science supports this as well. Quantum physics shows that particles can change based on observation. This means your consciousness, the way you think and focus, directly affects reality. This is why Holmes called his philosophy the science of mind. It's a practical science of understanding and directing energy. Here's the truth. The power to change your life isn't out there, it's within you. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. This means your past doesn't define you and your fears don't control you. The universe is waiting for you to align with it. Dr. Holmes said, change your thinking, change your life. This isn't just a catchphrase. It's the essence of transformation. The question is, are you ready to take the first step? Let's summarize what we've learned. But 1. The universe is an infinite source of energy and you are a part of it. 2. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs shape the energy around you, creating your reality. Key tools like visualization, meditation, affirmations, gratitude, and acting as if can help you align with the flow of abundance. 4. The key to transformation is recognizing that the power to manifest is already within you. Are you ready to step into your power and create the life you've always wanted? The choice is yours. Start today by implementing one of the tools we've discussed. If this video resonated with you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Join us as we explore more secrets of energy, consciousness, and the universe. Your journey to manifesting your dream life starts now.